In this video, I'll walk you through the process of getting pet travel insurance online using the website pettravel.com. Whether you're flying domestically or internationally with your furry friend, ensuring that your pet is protected is crucial. The Pet Travel website offers an easy-to-navigate interface that allows you to find the right insurance plan for your pets based on their breed, destination, and health status. You'll first land on the homepage, where you can explore various services such as pet passport guidance, quarantine information, and travel accessories. One of the great features of Pet Travel is its detailed breakdown of insurance coverage, allowing you to choose between different levels of protection based on your travel needs. The platform also includes information on international pet travel laws, which is especially helpful for those flying to countries with strict quarantine rules. Now, when it comes to pet travel insurance, the process is straightforward. You start by entering your pet's details, breed, age, and destination on their insurance page. After this, the system provides you with a few insurance plans tailored to your pet's specific travel risks. You can compare these plans in terms of coverage and cost. A downside of the website is that the design feels slightly outdated, but it compensates with detailed information and easy navigation. Prices for insurance vary depending on factors like your pet's breed, age, and destination country, so make sure to carefully read through the terms before purchasing. For those looking for a quick and trustworthy recommendation for pet insurance, I highly recommend using the service from Ekta Traveling, which provides excellent coverage for pets of all sizes. You can find more information by clicking the link in the description, https://ektatraveling.tp.st/9ncnwbdz. Once you select your preferred plan, filling out the insurance form is simple, with clear instructions provided along the way. Payment is processed securely, and you'll receive a confirmation email with all the relevant documents for your travel.so. If you're planning to travel with your pet and need insurance that will protect them during the journey, check out the services provided at Pet Travel and make sure to visit the link in the description for a reliable insurance option. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more helpful guides on pet travel, and make sure to give this video a like.